discuss that before we get back to the hunting stuff in a moment, before I do this. I'm a fence for pure talk. Wait, that didn't come out right. I don't want to put it that way. Either way, Pure Talk's like the best mobile company out there. And they're the best because they're patriotic. It's not just the service. And I love the customer service. I love that they hire Americans based in America. So when you deal with Pure Talk, you deal with someone who speaks English. I love that. I really genuinely do. But that's not why I love them. They fought for this country. Their CEO was a veteran. They're so veteran focused. While Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile give to every commie cause out there, Pure Talk deals with veteran suicide. Isn't that friggin' awesome? Imagine feeling good about paying your cell phone bill. Who gets to do that? You do. If you switch to Pure Talk, you don't sacrifice coverage, same great 5G network. All you have to do is pick up your phone, dial pound 250 and say Jesse Kelly. Not only will you save a fortune, that saves you an extra 50% off your first month. Pound 250, say Jesse Kelly. Switch to Pure Talk. What, Chris? We can make jokes. It's fine.
You got that right. The Jesse Kelly Show. Pay for yourself. Talk 650 KSTE.
Why do I take chalk every day? Because testosterone levels are at an all-time low, and I know the losers who run this country want us weak. They want you weak, they want me weak, they want us all to just be a bunch of effeminate, infertile losers. We can't do that. Start taking a male vitality stack from chalk.com. Go to choq.com, use the code Jesse, and that gets you 30% off. Natural herbal supplement, a patriotic company. choq.com, promo code Jesse. Do you have a child in your life? If they have a phone, they are fair game for human trafficking. Apps and social media provide gateway access to your child in their bedroom under your roof. Your monthly donation of just $14 a month to a Servo project can make a profound difference. It fuels investigations and supports
Okay.